Hey everyone, I'm Gavin, I'm a barber from Dublin, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to style that Leonardo DiCaprio 90s hairstyle that he sports in the movie Titanic. This is an absolutely classic style. I see it becoming super popular this year, especially coming into winter. You know, a lot of people are growing their hair out and seeing how that looks for them, and this is a style that you all should definitely be trying. We're going to be using two products in today's video, and I'm just going to start with wetting my hair. I'm probably going to go have a shower and use shampoo and conditioner. If anyone's wondering, I use the oil shampoo and conditioner from Poseidon Hair, and I probably shampoo my hair like once a week. So I'm gonna go do that and come back when my hair is damp. Alright guys, now that my hair is wet and I've showered, I'm going to take a comb. You can take any comb you have. You can also use a brush, something like this. I'm actually going to be using this. I'm just going to slick your hair all straight back. You know, kind of imagining there's like a focal point at your crown. You're just going to want to slick all your hair back to that one point. Slick everything down, slick the sides back. Standard stuff. Steps should be pretty easy. Okay, now that the hair is all slicked back, it's time to find the parting. Leo has the parting around here in the movie, and mine's kind of naturally forming there. So I'm going to go with that sort of parting right there and slick it over to the side, and it's kind of naturally falling down there, and flick this side over. And in the movie he kind of has it coming back like this, so we're going to make sure that side is slicked back. And yeah, now we're looking pretty good. So the first product I'm going to be utilizing today is the sea salt spray from Poseidon Hair. Sea salt spray is a great well-rounder product. It's a great pre-styler. You know, it's going to add a ton of texture and volume into your hair. It's going to make it movable throughout the day. It smells really good. I could go on forever about the benefits of sea salt spray, but yeah, that's the first product we're going to be using. I'm just going to be spraying it all around my head. And here's the important part. Right now it's looking super like proper. I'm gonna mess it up completely. Just really distribute the sea salt spray in there. I'm getting my fingers in. I'm scrunching the sea salt spray in and trying to add as much texture as I possibly can into the hairstyle, because this is how Leo has it in the movie. Super textured, super messy and wavy, and that's what we're trying to recreate, obviously. Here, if you need to, you can also adjust the parting. I'm gonna adjust it so it kind of like flicks over like that, if that makes sense. Like the party's still going to be starting in the same place, but it's going to kind of swing back here to create more weight in the back here, and that looks way better. Now you have two options. You can let your hair air dry, but you can also use a hair dryer with a diffuser attachment. I'm just going to be doing this to save time, and you're just going to be using that same scrunch until all your hair is dry, basically. That's looking pretty good. I'm super happy with how this is turning out so far. The sea salt spray has definitely added a ton of volume that I wouldn't have had otherwise. Now, to make this style hold all day, I'm going to be using our second product, which is the grooming clay from Poseidon Hair. This product is going to add a bit more texture and lift, but it's also going to give it that hold that we need to hold the style all night or all day. I've put about that much in my finger. Going to rub it into my fingers, and because this is quite a long style, I'm going to be rubbing it all over my hands as opposed to just my palms. And we're going to go in with our first coat, which is going to be just all around the head. I'm going to be not so much using a scrunching motion, but more of like a push motion to add as much hold as possible. And I'm just going to really be messing up the hairstyle, but don't worry, it'll come back to what it was before. So you can see I'm pushing it forward, pushing it back. That's going to give the product a nice even hold. It's not going to be clumped into just one area. That's the biggest mistake I see a lot of people making. They will clump a ton of product into just the fringe, but what you want to do is distribute it evenly so that, you know, there's not too much weight on the back here that will be pushing the fringe forward. And that's pretty much the style finished. An optional final step is you can pull down the strands and twist them to kind of make them more individual, standing out by themselves. That one was probably a bit too big. We'll try to pull down a smaller one. Yeah, that way you can create something like that. I can create it on both sides if I want, or just the one. I think that one, just the one looks better. And an optional final step is to use some volumizing dust if you find that it doesn't hold, or if your hair is just a bit more stubborn. This stuff you can just tap right in and then scrunch in with your hands to just give it a bit of extra hold and a bit more volume. So yeah, this is pretty much the style finished. If you want to try this for yourself at home, you totally can, because all the products I use today are linked in the description, including the diffuser. And yeah, let me know what you guys think of this style in the comments. Like I was saying at the start, I can see this becoming super popular in winter, especially with the whole idea of old money and the old money style coming into popularity. But yeah, if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like. That would be greatly appreciated. And if you want to see more hairstyling tutorials like this, please consider subscribing to my channel, as I try to post as many of these as I can. If there's any other styles you lads would like me to try in the future, make sure to leave them in the comments below, and while you're there, let me know what you think of this style. But yeah, that's everything for today. I also wanted to give you lads a big thank you for 10,000 subscribers. It's always been my dream to have 10,000 10,000 subscribers on YouTube since I was a kid, so to have it come into reality was pretty special. And yeah, that's everything for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.